a real shift happened when I was doing a talk very much like this, and I was actually introducing other speakers, and I was busy trying to figure out, how I was going to word everything. And it was a sustainability event, and what I found was the word eco had been thrown around so much. And it's like ecosystems, ecology, eco-friendly, and it's become this like massively overused shorthand, to mean anything that people want to pass off as green. And I thought to myself, it reminded me that actually the word, which you probably know anyway, but it's worth reminding yourselves, comes from ancient Greek, which means home. And for me, as I started to think about, like, when I want to say ecology, or if I want to say ecosystem, to remind myself what we're talking about is our home. And then when we start to think about home, for me, the home is the place where our relationships happen. And obviously our relationships outside of that, but that's the kind of or should be the kind of the hub. It should be the place where you feel welcome, where you feel like you belong, where you feel like you can unmask and be yourself, all those things. And for me, that started to make me think that this whole conversation that we have about the environment is about our home, and it is therefore about relationships, and it's therefore about like the human spirit. Ultimately, if you just kind of remind yourself, at least that's what I do, and I remind myself that I'm talking about home. It is our only home, and and that word for me has real resonance, and I think it does for a lot of people. But I think the more we can connect the kind of the mental health, the relationships with all the science, then I think it's going to reach more people that science can't reach. But it's actually got to be better for us. I don't know. I'd like to think that's true.